Today we are cooking or making a milkshake. Banana flavoured milkshake nonetheless. What else would I have to feel all fresh? Okay, this is our ingredients. We have ice cream, normal cream, it's quite good, and some milk to go in the milkshake. This is just to make it cold. We're putting an egg in it, just one, as you can see here. It's nice and good. And don't be fucking racist, but brown bananas are also as good as yellow ones. They're just having a little get together. Okay, and this is what we're putting it in. Okay, just on there. Grab the milk first, take the lid off, tip like a good cup of milk in, about that much, good as. Need some cream, need cream to make it feel good. Tip some cream in that bitch. Yep, sounds good. Put the ice cream in last. Just chuck an egg in there. And some bananas. Yeah. Then you grab the ice cream. Fucking take that shit off. Grab some ice cream. Good old ice cream. Yeah, and that's... Oh. And that's my cooking video. Thank you.